Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. This is a grease catching gravy boat or something, grease catcher, and it's lined with some glad cling wrap, and I'm going to put some Colour Arte Prizm Pour Chantilly lace in the bottom of it, which I may wind up having to come back again and cover to use at some other point. Then I'm just going to use colors I like over the top of it. This is Royal Sapphire, a wonderful turquoise. Here comes some Tuscan Sun. Trying to put my tops back on. I'm using up some old hot orchid. They either have vivid polypore or vivid enamel mixed with them. I have some orange crush with a little bit of big apple added to it to make it more red. I am going to use a little bit of the Mayan gold. Some of the blue velvet, which I think I should, but I'm not 100%, so I'll give it a bit of a shake. I love that color, it's awesome. This is my African violet, almost time to mix some more. I'm hearing a cry in my head for something lighter, so I'm going to look for the frosted berry. And then the pink carnation. And maybe a little bit of poinsettia. I love the variety of pinks the Colour Arte colors have. They're pretty amazing. If you guys ever have any questions for me, please feel free to ask. I'll tell you if I know something, and if I don't, I'll try and turn you on to somebody who does. Or I'll tell you I don't. That's the poinsettia. I have some Twilight orchid. I just realized I don't have any green in there and I want some. I'm going to use a little bit of the Midnight Shadow. I really think I'm going to probably wind up covering this and coming back after dinner to do another round. I have Fandango, which I know is I want something that's more turquoise, so I think I'm going to indulge myself in some cerulean blue, which is awesome. Come on, open. Why are you not opening? Okay, well it's breathing, so I guess it's going to work. Okay, is that enough? Probably. But I'm not sure I want to go on without my frozen, so I'm going to give myself some frozen because it's awesome. Whoops. I literally gave it to myself. Part of me just wants to make some designs, but the other part of me wants to make something else. Let me grab a sheet of plastic I can cover that with. Protect it from evaporation and air. Turn that around. I think I'm going to give myself some African violet, some cerulean blue, a little bit of frozen, a little bit of Midnight Shadow, and some pink diamond, which I have here somewhere. Maybe not. Maybe some Twilight Orchid instead. And then I'm going to grab an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. That might be my sky. Sans that thing that does not belong. Try and break out of my straight across mold. Get my balls out of the way. Now I'm counting on the fact that I'll be able to dip my tongue depressors in. Those are awesome colors. I don't mind some of the black showing through, but I prefer to be able to pull the colors down some. So maybe just one more dose of the hot orchid. And if one is not enough, do another one. I'm distracted because I can feel that I put some paint on my upper lip, but I can't stop to do anything about it. It's a fairly unusual occurrence, but I don't think my husband notices during dinner, so after dinner when I walk the dogs, I am always a little trepidatious. I gotta remember to look in the mirror. I love that hot orchid. And I really want something lighter. I'm not sure I want to take the time to do it. There's a little bit of that frosted berry. Here's something lighter, the blue bonnet. Not blending as I had anticipated. So we'll just mix it right in. Take anything and everything right off. Try and push back the spatula. Clean off my spatula along the edge. So I have some color up there. This one may require a frame. Alright, time to get busy. Assuming I have any time left at all. Well, I have some time. Okay, so there's my paint coat. And I'm going to start with the wider side that already has paint on it. I'm going to try and move it around. And add some dimension by bending a few things. I haven't tried this into wet yet. This is my first go round, so I'm not sure if the colors are going to disappear or not. I need a dish to rest my wet tools in. tried to dump my boat. Don't do that. So I cut some smaller pieces that I thought might be fun to try. Put some leaves on. Just because. I'm wondering if the black background is better for these. Definitely thinking the dry canvas is better for them. This is only an 11 by 14 inch canvas. I'm quiet because I'm focused. I'm sorry. Every once in a while I realize I'm no longer speaking. And I'm hoping I'm not going to have any trouble using that paint later. That may turn that around so I change the pattern up a little. I want to use the smaller sticks to spread some foliage or flowers at the top. I don't think I used gold the last time. I need a much shorter stick to do that again. Well, it'll still be pretty colors no matter what. And sometimes I'm just momentarily shocked. I want to put some of the background like that. But then they're going to look more like trees. Funky, funky trees. It will be what it will be. I'm nervous for some reason. So you can go pretty much any position you want. I might want to let this dry and then finish with some dots tomorrow because I don't know how the dots are going to work. But I suppose the Colour Arte colors will always save me. That yellow looks like I needed some more of it. It's different. Yeah, I just wanted to do grasses. With all similar tops. I guess I'll find out if I like it or not. I'm going to remember that I really like the yellow. And I might still try and put some dots in there. And that would require the fat end of a skewer. I've got 3 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. If you're looking for an email address, please look for easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. It's underneath Show More under the video. I'm not sure that I'm going to say that I like working wet into wet, but I might want to try another time with the background color added and dry, because I think that would work better. I've got some yellow. There we go. All right, it's pretty. It really is. I don't know what I was worried about. If I put a little dab down a color and pull it out, I get a leaf. And that adds some nice texture to things. And I should show you, chances are good I'll keep dotting after you're gone, or after I'm gone. It's funny when I do this upside down, but I wanted to show you what I have. And if I'm really fast, I might be able to shimmer it at you. Well, it was a good experiment, I think. I learned a few things about what I want to do and what I don't necessarily want to do. And I want to add a little pink to those. Which is now a blob. Oopsie. That's what I keep Q-tips for usually. I'll just camouflage it with some color tomorrow. Zoom right down in there. No, I'm liking it. I maybe didn't give myself enough time. Kind of want to put some green shoots up in between at the bottom, but I'm not sure if that really makes sense. The shimmer is awesome. Don't forget that 20% off Colour Arte coupon code for Prizm pours. And if you have questions, feel free to ask me. I have over 2,400 videos, and you can find them on my channel by going to playlists, all playlists, created playlists, or asking me because I have them saved in playlists links by topic and genre and by the 100. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for your wonderful comments and kind words and encouragement. Remember, there's a 15-minute free consultation for anyone using the PayPal icon to make a donation to help support the studio's production of videos, and I really appreciate that. Thank you guys who have helped keep me painting all this time already. I love you much. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, saying